A friend of mine is in her 50s. Her hair is breaking off really bad. She stated that her hairdresser wants to cut her hair down to about 3 inches. The hairdresser gave her a protein treatment that seemed to help. She's no longer dyeing her hair and there's no other chemicals in the hair. We're not sure if she should take collagen supplements or folic acid. Well, there's kind of a lot here, and we're going to take them one at a time. So the first thing is the breakage. If the hair is breaking, there's no way to repair it permanently. So what the hairstylist did by applying a protein treatment was try to kind of band-aid or temporarily hold the hair together. But she's good in recommending that the hair be cut, because once the hair is not alive, it's dead. There's no blood supply that it can heal itself. So once the hair is broken or damaged or the mid shaft is compromised in any way, the way to fix it is to cut past that damage. That's number one. Number two is perhaps if hair loss is not just due to breakage, but also due to hair fall, meaning the hair is falling out quickly or shedding from the scalp, then it makes sense to supplement. I'm actually going to be more aggressive than that and say it makes sense to supplement no matter what. We should all, every single one of us, do yourself the favor of having a really great vitamin regimen. It's hard to eat ourselves healthy, and shortfalls in our nutrient profile do show up in the hair. Collagen is not in hair, but hair is made up of keratin. It's about 95% keratin, and keratin is made with amino acids. And the building blocks, which are the building blocks of protein, and collagen comes into play there. So yes, supplement early, supplement often, and it will benefit your hair. And happy hair growth. I'm excited to hear the outcome and how your hair has been restored to health. Don't be afraid to cut it. That's part of the process.